Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. If it's your very first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share for more amazing videos. So let's get straight into the video. And I'm back with another amazing video. Today I'm preparing a simple cake using a Jiko. Hope you'll enjoy my video. First of all, add sand into your sufuria, then make sure your Jiko is turned on. Then after that, place your sufuria with sand into the Jiko. Now let's go prepare our cake. So in our ingredients, I used wheat flour to 50 grams, 6 eggs, Blueband to 50 grams, sugar to 50 grams, vanilla essence 1 spoon, and 1 spoon of baking powder. Just assume that bowl of wheat flour I only measured to 50 grams. So first of all, add Blueband and sugar, then start mixing. Mix the sugar and the Blueband till it becomes white in color. So if you have a hand mixer or a blender, it will be much easier. But as for me, I used my hands. To be honest, it took me an hour for my mixture to be white. And after the struggles, now our mixture is white. So we are going to add 1 egg after the other and mix it properly. So this is how it looks after adding all our 6 eggs. So after that, you're going to add wheat flour. So I told you earlier, if you want to get the right measurement, just use the Blueband tin, the 250 grams. You can measure all your ingredients using that tin. It will be much easier to get the right measurement. So I also saved my wheat flour. So add your wheat flour little by little and continue mixing. After that, you're going to add our vanilla essence. Then again mix it properly. If you're still watching and you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share and turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. Now add your baking powder, then mix it properly. It's time to bake our cake. In your sufuria or your baking tin, sprinkle some wheat flour and apply Blueband, and then add your mixture. Now tap it for a while, then you can now bake your cake. So our sand by now is a bit hot, so you're going to place your sufuria inside, then you're going to cover it with a lid with burning charcoal. I baked my cake for around 45 minutes. Make sure your heat is in a medium rate. We have our simple cake here. I forgot showing you when I removed it in the Jiko. I was in a hurry, so it is well cooked. It's also delicious. So hope you'll try this. If you really enjoyed my video, subscribe, like, comment and share, and turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. So till next time, bye.